guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to cook a chicken soup. So, let's go! Next, add our chicken and cook until golden brown. Add black pepper and mix from time to time. Add in our celery stalk, carrots, and cook until it's fork tender. Next, let's add 1 liter of water. Bring this into boil. This step is optional. You may also add 2 chicken cubes. Once our soup is boiling, drain our noodles and put it on the soup. Add half a tablespoon of salt. Add celery leaves. And lastly, our cabbage and scallions. And we're done cooking. That is all for today's guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions, please comment down below. Follow me on social media. Links are also in the description. And kung bago ka sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified for any food-related videos. Bye!